Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Have you ever seen this thing before? Yes, this is the name of the DC connector or female plug, which is responsible for connecting a cable to the terminal. Here, this is even cool. There is a table smash. Well, we should start this by stripping this Farley touch cable. This cable is really hard. It makes breathing sound. This is a bad way. Do not diss the cable connecting to the terminal without soldering the ends. And this is a slightly better way than before. Remember, twist the cable and then apply a little flux paste. It turned out it is easy, right? You can also do it stronger. The connection and pulling will not come off. Thank you for watching. See you next time.